Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss what exactly are environments for in AI, in artificial intelligence. Okay. What exactly do you mean by environment? It is nothing but a playground for AI agents. Just a playground where robots or agents can play around. Agents, what exactly they do in a playground or environments? They achieve the goals. If you have seen my previous video on problem solving agent, that is what they do, right? They are presented with a problem, then they find the solution and they in turn achieve the goals. Now we'll see one simple program that of tic-tac-toe, a simple Python program with a tic-tac-toe environment. Okay, here I'll write simple Python program for tic-tac-toe. You know tic-tac-toe, right? Previously would have already played it. So this is how the program looks like. Okay, for tic-tac-toe, we are importing random. We are having a class called tic-tac-toe environment. Here we have the few functions that we made. In init function we have used, reset function we have used. We have gone a step to validate and also the winner here. We have got the method check winner and also method for get valid moves. So this will actually get the valid moves for the opponent. Here actually you can play by yourself. Environment we are giving tic-tac-toe and this is the present state. Output we have given like this. This is the initial output which will look like. You can populate with the opponent and you can populate with you, right? Now this is actually where the execution starts. Action, this is where you will be asked. You can enter integer value. So this will be 0 till 8. Okay. So totally 9 steps. So this is the step in the environment. Next step, reward and done. Check if the game is over. At the end, you'll get, if the reward at the end, if the reward equal to 1, you win. If the reward equal to -1, you lose. If it is nothing, it's a draw for us. And here we'll get the opponent moves. Here we'll get the opponent moves. And also we'll print the opponent move here. Okay. Now let us execute the program. CLS, let's say environment.py. Now let us play the game. I want to enter in the 0th position. Okay. My move was X in the beginning. The opponent move goes to 7. So you can 0, opponent moves to 7. This is how you can easily play the program. And then you can write according to the program, you can write in many ways. Let's say you're entering the tree, opponent has moved to another place. And but at the end, when the reward is equal to 1, you will get the winner. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.